Thank you, children. Welcome back, everyone, after your Dussehra break. A very relevant theme taken up by our friends, and they have put across a beautiful song sung by Akshat and a beautiful guitar played by Aditya. First and foremost, I would like to welcome Siddhant Tiwari to the stage. Come, beta. And the other two of his teammates who participated in the quiz. You had gone for the quiz? Who are other two? Call them.
Sadhna Tiwari.
Sadhna Tiwari.
And Kanesh.
And Kanesh. If you are here, please reach here. Sadhna is there, your home. Kanesh is also there. Utkarsh. Utkarsh also, please join. Come forward, beta. Where is Sadhna? Twice they represented the school in the quiz competition conducted by Madhya Pradesh state government, and twice they reached the runners-up position. So give them a big applause. They were guided by Amit sir and Rajneesh. So we wish them all the best for their future endeavors. Keep carrying on with the same kind of zeal, and now they are soon going to represent the school at inter-DPS level also. So we wish them all the best. Children, along with this appreciation, I also appreciate all the students who did well in half-yearly exams. Unfortunately, this time, it is observed that many of you haven't been able to do well. Maybe we are taking it for granted that it was due to the gap that was created due to COVID pandemic. You all stayed back at home, and we want to presume that your bad performance is based because you gave up your writing habits. So there is hope, there's a lot of hope that you all can do well and better than what you have performed in half-yearly exams. I'm sure many of you must be not satisfied with the performance that you have performed, and you have not got good marks. Am I right, children? So do you promise that you will try to do better in the coming days? Is it possible for all of you to do better? Our friends sang the song, अगर तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पे यकीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. स्वर्ग कोई ऐसा नहीं होता जो हम लोग हिंदी फिल्मों में देखते हैं. बादल होंगे, उस पे हम लोग जाएंगे, म्यूजिक सुनेंगे, डांसेस चल रहे होंगे. वो स्वर्ग नहीं होता. स्वर्ग होता है इन्हीं छोटी बातों से. अगर आप अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे तो आपको जिंदगी जो है स्वर्ग लगने लग जाएगी, है ना. घर जाओगे, पेरेंट्स अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, टीचर्स अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, फ्रेंड्स अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, आपको लगेगा आप स्वर्ग में रह रहे हो. होगा ना ऐसा? और अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं करोगे तो सब डांटेंगे, खराब लगेगा, पेरेंट्स गुस्सा होंगे, क्लास में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. तो कैसे लगेगा आपको कि आप नर्क में आ गए, यू हैव कम टू हेल. सो इट इज इन योर हैंड्स, इट इज इन आवर हैंड्स टू लिव इन हेल और हेवन. And as I always say, make the right choice. अगर आपको चुनने का मौका मिले तो क्या चुनोगे, स्वर्ग या नर्क? स्वर्ग. तो स्वर्ग के लिए थोड़ी सी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, है ना. बगैर मेहनत किए आप स्वर्ग में नहीं जा पाओगे. तो आई होप यू ऑल विल. और उसके लिए क्या करना होगा, स्टडीज में अच्छा करने के लिए बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें करनी है. Be attentive. जब टीचर क्लास में पढ़ा रहा हो तो एक दूसरे से बात करने के बजाय टीचर क्या कह रहा है ये सुनिए, समझिए, नहीं समझ आता है टीचर से फिर पूछिए। डीपीएस निकाय में कोई ऐसा टीचर नहीं है जिसको आप पूछोगे तो वो आपको उत्तर ना दे, आपको समझाए ना। ये स्ट्रेंथ है डीपीएस निकाय की। सो आई होप यू विल यूटिलाइज दैट स्ट्रेंथ एंड ट्राई टू get into the heaven that we spoke about. All of you promise that? Okay, I wish you all the best and I look forward to a better performance in your weekly tests and annual exams. Thank you.